In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Booking.com account. This walkthrough is for updating the address on your personal traveler profile, the one tied to your bookings and receipts. I'll show you how to do it on both the website and the app, and share a few tips to make sure your information saves correctly the first time. Start by signing in to your Booking.com account. If you're on the website, look for your profile icon at the top right and open the account menu. In the app, head to your Profile tab. From there, go to My Account, then select Personal Details. This is where your basic information is stored, and it's the place you'll find your address settings. Scroll down until you reach the address section. If you've never added an address before, you'll see empty fields. If you already have one saved, choose the option to edit it. Start by selecting your country or region. This matters because it determines the format of the address fields you'll see next. After choosing your location, enter your street address, then your town or city, and finally your zip or postal code. Take a moment to match the official postal format for your country, including any apartment or unit numbers on the same line as the street address, if that's what your postal service recommends. Small details like abbreviations or a missing postal code can prevent your address from validating. When everything looks correct, save your changes. The new address should update immediately on your account. If you're on the app and don't see the change right away, try backing out and reopening Personal Details, or refresh the page on the website to confirm the update was applied. It's a good idea to double-check for typos, especially if you use your Booking.com invoices for travel reimbursements. If you don't see an address field in Personal Details or the option is missing for your account, there's an easy workaround. Go to the Help or Contact page and either send a message or start a chat asking to update the address on your account. A Booking.com agent will verify your identity and then manually update your information for you. Keep your correct address ready so you can paste it in one message, and be responsive during the verification step so the change goes through quickly. That's it. Update it in Personal Details or contact support if the field isn't available. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Booking.com account details up to date.